First gay rapper. I'm first gay rapper. Who am I gonna fuck now? Fuck your granddaddy. I fucked your grandma. I fucked your daddy. I fucked your mama. I really wanna fuck your uncle. 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 I really wanna fuck your uncle now. I saw his ass the other day. Now I wanna smash that shit, and I hope he let me have that shit. Yo, uncle, I really wanna put it in his big ass booty. I saw him bent over, he's a mighty cutie. Yeah, he's a mighty cutie. And in a minute, I'ma be on that duty. I wanna fuck. I really wanna fuck yo uncle. He's looking mighty cute, yo uncle. And I hope he got a big dick, cause I will suck the shit out of it with my big lips. Ha ha ha. You a trip. I really wanna fuck yo uncle Rock. I really wanna fuck yo uncle Rock. I really wanna fuck your uncle. I really wanna fuck your uncle. So can you call up your uncle now? Tell him the first gay rapper want him on the dial. To read, to trial, to see, to come over and fuck the shot out of he. That's the shit out of he. When I spit out of he, suck his dick out of he. Fuck a trick out of he. Fuck a trick out of he. Fuck a trick out of he. Suck his dick so good that his chick out of
J-Rock.
Work, work. He don't need no trick no more, no slutty hoe. Cause the first gay rapper wanna suck him slow. First gay rapper wanna fuck your uncle. First gay rapper wanna fuck your uncle. Your uncle. First gay rapper on YouTube. Fuck your uncle. Fuck your uncle.